Hey guys, it's Ivan. We're doing something new today. Jewel Food and Albertsons. We're going to go to the Jewel Food app, click on the tap the weekly ad. Excuse my nails, they need doing. And it opens up to the ad. Now you're going to say view the weekly ad. Tap that. When you see view the weekly ad, it's going to open up to the ad that you scroll down on, guys. A lot of this ad is buy one, get one free. They have different deals going on, 7-day online deal, and then they have a 4-day sale also, guys. It is tons of BOGOs in here, but since we're going, hopefully not into a food crisis, but just in case, we're couponers, guys. Let's get prepared. Now, this ad was October 29th to November 4th. Look, there is a buy one, get two free baby back, short ribs, meatballs, and turkey meat. Now, today I am literally just skimming the ad, guys. But next Tuesday, I will do a complete ad that will release, okay? Now, you have tons of BOGOs in this ad. Produce is BOGO and also meat, plus you get low price produce for 69 cents. Now, see that? How did I get those circles around there? I'm going to show you right now how I did that. Now, do you see the Johnsonville smoked sausage? It says buy one, get one. You're going to tap it. When you tap it, it's going to open up to add to clip deals. Tap that. You're going to see that green check mark, say clip deals. Then you're going to come out of it. Now, you see it circled right there. You also can unclip that. Now, this is your ad that you could do this to. They do have in-store ads. Now, as you can see, the pasta, buy one, get one free, and it's $2.29, which make it about $1.15 each, guys. Tap it again. Say add to clip deals. When you see that check mark, that means that you have claimed it, all right? Now, you also can scroll down. Make sure that your item that you want is in there. All right. Come out of that. Exit out. There it is, circled in yellow. Now, throughout this ad, I've already looked and I clipped things that I wanted. You have to sign in to the Jewel Food or Albertson app. You can attach your card if you want to. I never attach my card to these type of things. So see this right here? Buy one Crescent, get one Oscar Mayer hot dog free, or it's 2 for $5. Basically, that's what they're trying to say that you're doing. Now, I try to tap that other deal above it, but I can't see through the phone and through these glasses, guys. I swear my eyes got fixed. But stay on a budget, guys. This is what you're looking at. Now, see how we opened that up and it opened up a lot of coupons? You want to go through that. See the cuties? Clementines are 99 cents a bag. You want to clip that deal. Clip it. So you're going to tap it and where it says clip deals. The blueberries are $1.99. The mushrooms, the russet potatoes, the bacon ones are 69 cents a pound, which is also a good deal if you didn't grow them yourself like I did. Now, you also have different things in here. If you're going to do that online deal, it's $150 and then you get $20 off. Avocados are 69 cents. Guys, it's a ton of deals that you could do in here just by clipping. And clipping means that you already attached it. Now, when I go in the store, we're going to see how you can actually scan it from your phone and it'll add the deal also. So when you put in your number at the end, then you'll see how you pay for all of it. I'm going to start doing an in-store grocery deal because I think we need it at this point, guys. Whatever you do, stay on budget. I do shop at big box stores like Sam's Club and Costco, but I come here for a lot of their BOGO meats. On Sunday, they also have a cart where it says clearance out meat, and it means that it's expiring that day, so it's discounted very cheap. I usually go to that cart first on Sunday. If you get there, early bird catches the worm. Did you see how I just added that and then deleted it, guys? So see, those are the things you want to look for that you could do. I mean, even if you add it in there and don't get the product, it doesn't mean that they're going to charge you for it. It's just you added it in your phone. It's so when you open your ad up, you'll know exactly what you looked for in here. So they have produce, they have drinks, Buy one, get one. Tons of BOGOs throughout. Now, when I go through the store, I am going to show you guys how to identify their clearance deals that they have and their markdowns, okay? Because it is one of those stores where you do have to read closely. So this is something where it doesn't matter. I don't care what you get, EBT, SNAP, paying with money like me. You go in the store, you want bargains. You want to look for clearance deals. You want to always get their ad because they have tons of deals in this ad. Their ad is always, always huge. It's never a small ad, all right? So everything you see up in here, BOGO, they even have BOGO on coffee, everything. This paper comes out 10/28. That's the day it came out. You could view it, but you cannot tap it to make it circle. So view on 10/28, 10/29. I gotta open my app up and start tapping what I wanted to purchase in there. That's exactly what I did. So you can do that. Now, it's a number of things that you might want to circle. If you don't want it, all you got to do is leave it alone. It doesn't matter. They have personal care items, guys, in here. They also have laundry. They have alcohol. They have, see the laundry, there's the laundry deals right there. Household, buy two, get one free. Do you see that? They also have those. It's a lot that you could get in this store. Jewel is kind of like an all-around store. The only thing they don't have is clothes. Now, they might have like a t-shirt. So the eggs, I usually grab the eggs, buy one, get one free. I usually grab those every week, guys. So you'll see that in my cart this week. All right. Now, the stores that I frequent, I try and see what kind of food deals they have also. So don't read too far into it, guys. We're going to get through this regardless of what's going on in the world, right? So it's $1.99 for the pomegranates. They 39 cents for each kiwi, but on the end, you can buy a whole thing of kiwis for $3.99. So yes, people say Jewel's is high. I say Jewel's is reasonable. I get a lot of fresh fruit, vegetables, and meat from Jewel's. So just shop how you need to for your budget, guys. That's basically, they even have flowers. They have a bakery. They have an awesome bakery department, guys. I'm just going to let you know that. And on Mondays, Jewel also have chicken Mondays where I think it's like $4.99 for a chicken, and you could bet the line is like out the door because nobody wants to cook on Monday. So here's their 4-day sale where they have $2 buns, $3 pieces, $3 water, $6 Gatorade, buy two get three free sodas. All types of things that you can get, guys, is up in here. So be looking out for my Jewel Food grocery shopping haul, okay? And make sure that you clip everything you need. I hope you all enjoyed this ad, guys. Bye.